Hi, this is Patty, and I'm about to make some cream potatoes. I had a few potatoes left, and I said I don't need to let them spoil, so I decided I'll just make some cream potatoes. So these are the potatoes here that I have in this pot to put on the oven. I mean to put on the cooktop and boil, and I've added some salt in here. This is the little gadget that I use, and you can come right here to peel the potatoes. And these are the peelings, and this is the peeler that I use. And it makes it so simple when you use a peeler. And when these are boiled, I will rinse them off in the strainer, and I will mash them up real well. I'll probably cut them up before I put them on to boil. Then I'll use some pepper, some onion powder, some garlic powder, and I'll use a little bit of whipping cream and this full can of carnation evaporated milk and probably about a tablespoon of sour cream. And I'll season them to taste. So I'll come right back and show you what we have going on in this southern kitchen. This is the end product. Cream potatoes, homemade cream potatoes, English peas, and seared and baked chicken drumsticks. These are my boiled potatoes. And in this bowl, I have some sour cream, probably a good 2 tablespoons of sour cream, some pepper, some Paul Prudhomme's magic salt-free seasoning, garlic powder, onion powder, and I have butter in here, and parsley flakes, black pepper. This is my can of carnation evaporated milk. I'm going to put a little bit at a time and just see how much I will need. I don't think I'll need the whole can. Just put a little in there, and I am going to mash these with the potato masher here and see. I don't want them too soggy here. And I'm going to put just a little bit of this whipping cream. Not a lot, just a drop, because I don't want them too soupy. Okay. You just have to kind of estimate what consistency you want. I think I'll add a little bit of cheese in here. Hold just a second. I'm going to step away from the bowl for a moment, and I'm going to add some cheese. Okay, I have some mild cheddar, and I'm going to add not a lot, just a little bit. And this is the cheese that I'm using, just a very tiny bit. And I'm going to stir this in like this. And these are the mashed potatoes. And I know they are good, good, good. You just have to season to taste because, okay, see, this is a pretty good consistency. See that? Because once they set for a while, they will be a little thick. They will thicken as they set. Okay? So, these are the creamed potatoes. And we have chicken tonight, the baked chicken. And we have some English peas. And the only thing that I put in the English peas, the ingredients are butter, black pepper, parsley, and a little bit of sugar. So this ends the presentation for this evening. Thank you for joining, and if you're interested in my videos, please subscribe, tell your friends about my channel, and tap the notifications bell so you can be reminded of upcoming videos. I thank you so much. This is Patty from Patty's Southern Kitchen. Goodbye.